Whether a hot tub is considered a permanent fixture depends on several factors. Firstly, consider the intention of the installer. Was the hot tub intended to be a permanent part of the property? Secondly, examine the method of installation. Is the hot tub hardwired to the house with electrical and plumbing connections? Thirdly, assess the level of attachment to the property. Is the hot tub attached to the ground or a deck with bolts or other permanent fasteners? Based on the information provided, where the hot tub is hardwired to the house with proper electrical wiring and ground fault circuit interrupter, it is likely considered a permanent fixture. If a hot tub is deemed a permanent fixture, it is generally considered part of the real estate and would be included in the sale or transfer of the property unless explicitly excluded in the contract. There may be exceptions to this rule when the hot tub is temporarily installed for a specific purpose, such as a rental property, easily removable without damaging the property, or owned by a tenant or third party and not affixed to the property. It is recommended to consult with a local attorney to confirm the legal status of the hot tub on your property in the specific jurisdiction of Florida.